everyone, this is Mrs. Palmieri, and today we are going to talk about equations applications. Now, applications is just a fancy way to say that we're going to be solving word problems today. And I'm sorry, because I know that most of you out there probably don't like word problems. Though it really is just because you're not very comfortable yet. So let's see what we can do to make you more comfortable. So the first thing that you should have done is for your warm-up, you should have completed the pre-lesson scenario. At the end of class, you are going to be getting the scenario back on a sheet of paper, and you are going to have to make sure that you know how to solve it. That will be your exit ticket. So please learn something today. On the steps for applications, we like to follow what's called the four-step method. The four-step method means that we're going to start by defining the variable. We call that writing a let statement, and that's just a way of saying we want to explain or identify what it is we are solving for. So X could be the number of cookies that students are getting. Step 2, we are going to write the equations. Step 3, we are going to solve, and we're going to show all of our steps one at a time. And then finally, we're going to state our solution in sentence form or in some sort of word format because it is a word problem. All right, so our first example, Lydia wants to rent a movie from the video store. The membership fee is $15 per month plus $4 per movie. We want to write an expression that can be used to find the cost to rent V videos. If Lydia spent $103 at the video store, how many videos did she rent? Hang on, let me go ahead and get my trusty pen. And let's see if it writes. Oh, that's barely. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I need to identify what I'm solving for, and this is for my let statement. So right here, V videos. I don't know if you can see that that's turning yellow there. So in this word problem, it has already been identified for you on what you are supposed to solve for. So I have V is going to be the number of videos. Okay. From here, I need to write my equation. So I have a membership fee that's $15 per month. Make that blue. Plus 4 per movie. Okay, in this case our movie is going to be our video. I'm playing around with this pen for a little bit to make sure that you can see what I'm writing. So I have membership fee, $15 per month, and keep in mind that that membership fee, we're only talking about 1 month, so I'm only going to pay that $15 one time. So I have $15. On top of that, it says plus, so plus is going to be addition, and then 4 per movie. The word per from elementary school means to multiply, so 4 per movie or video would be 4V. And Lydia is spending $103. So that is a total. So that equals 103. Okay? So from here I'm going to go ahead and solve. This is just a two-step equation. We're going to start by subtracting 15 on both sides. Hopefully you have a calculator in front of you to make this just easy work so you don't have to really think about the computation too much. We want to focus on the process of the problem solving. And this is 4V. I want to divide by 4 on both sides so that V equals 22. So what this tells me is that if Lydia spends $103 at the video store, she rented 22 videos. So a lot of videos. I probably should have thought about that before I wrote these numbers. Okay, so Lydia rented 22 videos. And that would be your actual answer, the one that's in Word format. Hopefully that wasn't too difficult. And we are going to go look at the next one. Alright, so the next one has, Andrew wants air conditioning in his room. The air conditioner costs $45. Each day, the electricity costs $2. So to write an expression, not an equation, an expression, that can be used to find the cost to run the air conditioner for D days. And again, identifying the variable that already has been identified for you. So just give me a second. Let me get my pen back here. So we are going to let D equal the number of days. All right. Additional information here, we have the air conditioner is $45 and electricity each day costs $2. So each day is $2. So the expression on the first part is 45 that I'm paying only one time plus $2 a day. And this equals the total, which is 85. So my equation is 45 plus 2D equals 85. Subtract 45 on both sides. $2D equals 40. We're going to divide by 2. They're side by side, so we divide, and D equals 20. So your answer is Andrew ran the AC for 20 days. So these two problems is basically just a review from the 7th grade stuff that you've learned, and even 6th grade, depending on the class that you were in. But 8th grade is very similar. The only thing additional that we add is that we have variables on both sides, or at least it's possible to have variables on both sides in our word problems. So I'm going to show you one of those, and then we'll backtrack to a different type of practice. Let me see if I can find it.